Hey guys, Jason with King Boxes. Today, we're going to give you 5 reasons why you guys should switch over to King Boxes Enclosures and become a dealer for us today. Check us out. Number 1, we always have new models being developed. So we always have new models coming out. Our research and developments through the roof. We're always examining new vehicles, checking what's new, what fits, just so we can give you always a good update on what needs to be meant for your truck or your vehicle. So one good thing about King Boxes is that we're always on top of all vehicles, making sure that we can always supply you with the most current enclosures for that vehicle. Number 2, we offer a full accessory line. So in case you didn't know, King Boxes is just not a speaker enclosure manufacturer. We're also an accessory company. We offer OFC and CCA power and ground wire spools. We offer amp kits, CCA and OFC, 8, 4, and 0 gauge complete kits. We also offer RCAs, ring terminals, fuse holders. We also offer distribution blocks, you name it. Not only are we an enclosure company, we're also an accessory company. Check us out. Number 3, we always offer proper packaging. So with King Boxes, you never have to worry about enclosures being damaged during shipping. Good thing with us is that we have heavy duty carton packaging from the outside. And looky here. We also have EPE foam on all corners and sides to ensure that none of your enclosures get bent and damaged during shipping. Number 4, we got the smoothest bed liners finish on our enclosures. So guys, with King Boxes, you never have to worry about spotty finishes on our enclosures. I mean, are you tired of being scratched up from the paint? Are you upset with paint being all over the place on the enclosure, uneven? Well, with King Boxes, you never have to worry about that because we have the most durable finish on our enclosures and we have the best quality to go with it. And number 5, we have all enclosures for all applications. So guys, as you can see what's up behind me, we have enclosures for all vehicles, any year, any make, any model. We're always continuing to grow our SKUs. And hey, look, King Boxes has every model that you're needing in stock and available, ready to ship to you today. So guys, that's my top 5 reasons why you should become a King Boxes dealer today. Check us out at www.king-boxes.com. Check us out today and become a King Boxes dealer. See you soon.